Hey everyone, this is Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and welcome to my presentation, TikTok Affiliate Marketing, my starter guide and free course. So on today's agenda, we're going to cover what is TikTok Affiliate Marketing, how does the business model work, and how can you get started. Make sure to stay till the end because you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision, plus I also have a special free gift for you. Okay, so who am I and why should you listen to me? So my name is Jack Miller, and I've been working from home and making money online for the past 4 years. So a while back I was hit with some nasty health complications, and that was the turning point that made me look for ways to make money online. In my struggles, I tried various business models. Some of them worked and some of them did not. But luckily for me, I was able to make enough money to support myself and my medical expenses. All from just a laptop and an internet connection. I was so inspired by my experience that I decided to start Jack's Digital Ventures. So, if you like videos about making money online, then feel free to hit that subscribe button to see more content in the future. But just a quick disclaimer. So I am an affiliate, so that means if you buy a course from any of my affiliate links in the pinned comment below, then I will make a commission. This is of course at no additional cost to you. I'm still going to give you my honest opinion, so I will still strive to give you a balanced and honest video so you can make the most informed decision possible for yourself. Okay, so what is TikTok affiliate marketing? So first, let's go over TikTok. So TikTok is a social media platform that primarily hosts short-form videos. TikTok originated from China. Next, let's go over affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you make money by selling other people's products or services. And now we can finally go over TikTok affiliate marketing. So TikTok affiliate marketing is typically making engaging short-form videos to get potential customers to check out and buy the affiliate products you're selling. So you'll make a TikTok video, it'll entice a potential customer to check out your website, and they'll see the affiliate product, and if they buy it, you make a commission, you make some money. So what I like about this business model is there's no need to create your own product, no need to handle customer service, no need to keep stock, no need to hire staff. You can do this part-time or full-time. You can work from anywhere in the world. There's very low startup costs. You can work anytime you want. You can use this to quit your miserable 9-to-5 job. You can create passive income for yourself. And most importantly, you can create time and financial freedom to do all the things in life that you love. Okay, so how does the business model work? So first, you're going to become an affiliate. So first, you'll register for an affiliate program that's selling a product that is high in quality, would potentially sell well, and would benefit your audience. Next, you're going to make your funnel. You'll sign up for an online service that creates a lead magnet, a landing page, and an email sequence for you. When combined, this gives you a funnel, aka an enticing website that your prospects can go to get a free gift and receive daily emails advertising other affiliate products. Then you're going to make engaging videos. So you'll make engaging short form videos that make your viewers curious and interested in what you're selling. This could be related to making money, weight loss, or anything else. Then you make money. So after watching your video, your prospects go to your website, get their free gift, enter your email sequence. Over time, they read the emails advertising your products and buy them, meaning you make money. All right, that sounds great. So what if you wanted to start making money with TikTok affiliate marketing? How can you get started? So you can get started with my free gift. I have a free gift for you. And this free gift, it's a free online course. So you can get my free online course from the link in the pinned comment below, and it'll teach you everything you need to get started. But thank you so much. I'm Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures. Thank you for watching my presentation, TikTok Affiliate Marketing, my starter guide and free course. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more future content, and don't forget about the free gift in the pinned comment below. But That's all from me today. Thank you for watching. You take care. Have a great day.